Hey guys, how to set up domain redirect on Bluehost. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, visit the link in the description box. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the official website. Now what you're gonna do next, first you need to click the cPanel. First, you need to log into your Bluehost, okay? Once logged in, click the hosting tab of the left sidebar of your account. If you have multiple hosting packages, click manage for the package that you want to manage. You'll be automatically taken to your hosting page. If you have only a hosting account or one hosting account, click the cPanel under the quick links, right? Scroll down to the domains, right? And then you're gonna see redirect, click on it, okay? And basically below there is type of redirect in cPanel that you can choose from. You have the permanent 301 redirect. This type of redirect will direct search engines to the new site and update the visitors bookmarks. You have the temporary 302 redirect, and this type to redirect the search engine will still index the original page and reroute users in search engines, but it won't update the bookmark. And from there, from the HTTPS drop down menu, choose the domain name that you would like to redirect. Right? And if you want to redirect a single page or directory, you can use the text field that begins with the same forward slash to enter the folder or file name, and the redirect to field into the full URL of the page you'll be redirected. Next, into the URL that you wish to redirect users to in the redirects to box, make sure to specify the protocol, and then select one of the following www.redirection options to dictate whether the domain will be redirected. And then you can add, right? Only redirect with www. Or redirect with or without www. Or do not redirect www. And then tick the wildcard redirect box to redirect all the files within the directory to the new directory with the same file name. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.